Hi, I'm Eric Lanass, coming to you from San Jose, California, where we've set up our TMC newsroom today, right here in the heart of Silicon Valley. I'm talking now with Polaris Wireless's VP of Marketing and Business Development, Bhavin Shah. Bhavin, thanks for joining me this morning.
You're welcome, Eric. Thank you for having me here.
So can you start by giving our viewers a little bit of an update on who Polaris Wireless is?
Absolutely, would be happy to do that. So Polaris Wireless is the global leader for delivering high accuracy, software-based wireless location solutions. Okay? And we deliver that to two types of audiences today: wireless operators and government agencies. Right? Now we're a US-based company, been in business over 10 years, and we have 24 customers in the US. These are wireless operators for two types of applications basically. One is public safety, E911 emergency call services. So let's say you're in trouble, you dial 911, the operator, which is known as a public safety answering point or a PSAP, knows exactly where you are using our technology. Right? The second thing is for commercial location-based services. So let's say if you want to send coupons to people who have opted in and you have access to their location, given their opt-in, you can send targeted coupons, enable buddy finder, friend finder type applications. Now, government agencies have a slightly different application. What they use it for is to track criminals. So let's say you have a bad guy. In the US, you have a warrant-based system, so the police can go get a warrant for tracking the bad guy, and using our technology, they can track bad guys as well. Right? One of the things that is unique to us is, like I mentioned before, we are a high-accuracy, software-based location solution. That is, we don't put any hardware on any cell towers. We don't put any hardware in the phone, or we don't put any software on the phone itself. So we can locate from the dumbest of dumb phones to the smartest of smartphones without any hardware or additional software. So we're a software-based technology, sits on a server, and connects into wireless operator networks using standard interfaces. The other question that people always ask us, so what do you mean by high accuracy and how high is high? Okay, that's a great question. High accuracy is defined in a couple of ways. How often can you locate somebody, and how much is the location error? So where the person is at and how far the person is at from where we say they are. In indoor and urban environments, we're able to locate mobile devices within 50 meters from where the actual caller is. This is very important for public safety personnel who want to save lives, law enforcement officials who want to track criminals, and obviously criminals or people who may need help may not be outdoors in line of sight with GPS satellites, and therefore we play a vital role in saving lives and preventing crime and terrorism. Okay? If you look at the commercial aspects of it, when people are indoors in a shopping mall and they're ready to receive coupons or they're looking for deals, you want to address those customers right away by sending them those coupons, which are highly targeted, the difference between spam and service. So this capability that we have, we call our technology, it's patented, called wireless location signatures. This is what we have deployed in overseas countries as well for, again, saving lives, preventing crime and terrorism, and helping operators generate revenues.
So when you're talking emergency services, you know, one of the challenges has always been the vertical element.
Absolutely.
How do you help overcome that?
Absolutely. Vertical location, or what is popularly known in the technology limbo, is the Z-axis as it's called. It's a huge area of interest to a lot of different people, and we're solving that today. We are kind of in the initial phases, so probably towards the end of the year you'll see an announcement where we can locate callers within about 5 floors. But then very soon, using other inputs, we will be able to actually put the user on the actual floor they're at. So that's a huge area of growth, and we're going to make some announcements towards the end of the year on the ability to do Z-axis location.
Well, that's going to have a significant impact on not only emergency services, but I also imagine governmental use.
Absolutely. Again, you know, when you talk to public safety people, fire, ambulance, they want to know exactly where the person is, on what side of the wall the person is, because saving lives is a matter of seconds. Same thing with people. Take the Mumbai blasts, for example, that recently happened. If the law enforcement people knew where those perpetrators were when they were making those calls and targeting those blasts, etc., I think they would have been able to prevent it and save some lives.
Very good. Bhavin, it's been a pleasure talking with you this morning. Thank you for joining me.
Absolutely. Thanks again.